Shylock's speech.
To paint speech Rudolph. If it will feed nothing else, it will feed my revenge. He hath disgraced me and hindered me half a million. Laugh at my losses, mock at my gains. He scorned my nations, thwarted my bargains, cooled my friends, heated my enemies. And what is his reason?
I am a Jew. Have not a Jew eyes, had not a Jew hand. Organ, senses, dimension, affection, passion, fed with the same food, hurt by the same weapon, healed by the same means, subject to the same diseases, cold and warm by the same summer and winter, as a Christian is.
If you prick us,
Do we not bleed?
if you tickle us,
Do we not laugh?
if you poison
Do we
us,
not die?
and if you wrong us,
Shall we not revenge? If we were like you in the rest,
we will resemble you in that. If a Jew were a Christian,
what is his humility?
revenge.
Revenge! Revenge!
If a Christian wrong a Jew, why should his sacraments be a Christian example?
Why revenge?
The villain he teach me,
I will execute,
and it shall go hard,
and
but
I
I
will
will
better
better
destruction.
Shylock's speech
By
by
William
William Shakespeare.